prepared. Okay, so I am doing neuropsychology. So this is me. And so the reason why I want to do neuropsychology is because I really like neuroscience. I love learning about the brain. I could just read articles all day about the functions of the brain and how studies have shown how this or that affects our behavior. I really like how we can understand people and get a greater understanding of people. I also have wanted to foster care for a long time, and there are certain kids that you can't take in because they've had such rough backgrounds that they can't go to normal homes, and so with a degree in psychology, I would be able to take in those children. How does this match up with the top 3 things in chapter 13? So the first one was a strong interest in psychology, which I definitely have. The second one is because I want to become a professional in the area, and the third one was because psychology is a good undergrad for whatever you're going into next, which psychology is definitely a good undergrad study. Okay, so for neuropsychology, what it is and what it does, so it basically takes in the physical brain and how that works, and then combines it with how it affects your behavior. So it looks at the brain functions and the actions in regard to human behavior. Mostly in this field, a lot of it is just research. The biggest areas of research right now are Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and dementia, and then also some learning disabilities. And they're just trying to figure out what all of these are and how we can prevent them. To get my education required for neuropsychology is a lot, so I need to get a bachelor's degree, which can be in psychology, neuroscience, or something related to that stuff. Then a master's degree is optional. They don't even say it's recommended. It's just like, if you want it, you can get it. A doctorate is definitely what you need, and then you need a state license to work in this field. If you want to keep going, so you don't need like anybody looking over you, you can get your postdoctorate, and that's a lot of field work, and then you would need to be certified, board certified, and then you're kind of like the top. And my 4-year plan, since it's only a 4-year plan for my bachelor's degree, it's perfect. I'll be majoring in psychology, which is recommended for going to neuropsychology. So the 4-year plan is perfect in regards to this field.